As a glider pilot who travels a lot, tries to fly around the world in amazing places, there were still 2 amazing places left on the bucket list. The first one is Chile and the second place is here. It's Omarama in New Zealand. I have seen so many amazing videos, especially from previous Grand Prix here in Omarama and also in Chile. And now I'm just here and fly here for 1 week. So let's check out which glider we will fly today. Look at this incredible scenery here. So my first flight here from Omarama with Milan.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
Flying to Mount Cook.
And that's the highest mountain of New Zealand? Or?
Yes.
Crazy. So with a lot of glaciers, snow, everything. So a very scenic flight, hopefully.
Mark up and downwind.
So good.
Good, eh?
Almost 800 meters in the wind launch. There you don't need an aero tour. So down there, that's Omarama. It's a small village.
Very small village.
The airfield is much bigger than the village.
As it should be. Lake Bamboor.
This nice lake, yeah. Now we finally found here the wave. It's time to put the oxygen on.
And now if you see our trail on the axis, or as you're coming down from the terminal, we're right below here.
Yeah. This view here is more than unreal. It's really, it's so unreal. Look at Mount Cook there. These nice glaciers, the lake, another glider down there. And then in the background, the lenticularis cloud. I think we have everything New Zealand can offer here. It's just so mind blowing.
Shall we descend to your right?
Wow.
Copy. Follow you. We'll go on your right hand side.
Now we were trying to get to the convergence, which we didn't find up to now. And
Still too high. Oh, sorry.
yeah, we're still high, that's true.
We're just falling out of the wave as we speak.
Yeah. Now plans to get back to the ridge.
Few clouds popping out towards Simon's here, Kevin.
Are you over position, please?
Yeah, so that's it. Just about 4,200 feet. Great view on the left.
Wow, yeah.
With the volcanoes and the...
Wow. Okay, time to turn. Should we fly the ridge back slightly or just straight? Straight?
Straight is fine.
Straight is fine, high enough.
But usually they sink out of the sky on final without air brakes.
Okay.
Normally, like in a normal situation, it would be too high to stop at the end of the runway. But we will sink out the sky like this not tomorrow.
But we need to get down at some point. Okay, that's it, what you said.
Yeah. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. When should I touch down?
Say again?
Touch down already?
Keep flying, keep flying, keep flying, keep flying. Keep flying. Nice. It's quite hard to make a nice landing when it's windy with the brakes out, with the brakes away. Interesting, isn't it? You come so high,
Yeah.
and then you close with the air brakes and you still fall out of the sky like... And if you want, you can gently taxi out to the left. Nice. Just stop this side of the road.
Right, this side?
Yeah. Excellent.
Nice.
Interesting, isn't it?
Really good to know this.
Made it back.
Thank you, Milan. It was so amazing, this flight. Check out Kahoo Soaring if you also want to have a flight here. Even if you're not a glider pilot, you can come,
Of course.
and fly. Or if you're a glider pilot, you can get the mountain training here.
Absolutely.
It is really perfect, and you get wave flying, you get ridge flying, and thermal flying all together here. Amazing. On to the next days.